William is 4.5 months old, and we're about to give him his first cereal. As you can see, he's ready to eat. He's already chewing his toys up. He's so hungry for something solid. Num, 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 num. Num, num. Okay, and I have a little apprentice here. Lana Elizabeth de Paula. And she's going to help me make the cereal. Come on. Stand up. You going to help? Okay, first, we put the cereal in. Here's the cereal, brown rice cereal. Just put a little bit. That's enough. Okay.
Milk?
Yeah, not yet. Hold on.
Okay.
We don't change your plans here because you poured a lot of cereal in there. So, we need to pour out some of the cereal. Okay. Now, just pour a little bit of milk in there, just a little bit.
There.
Okay, that's a good start. Okay, now stir it up.
There.
Stir it up for little baby William.
More milk?
Keep stirring it. No. Keep stirring it.
I'm going to put some more sugar.
We're probably going to put more milk in it, but let's stir it first. Stir. Ooh, he's getting hungry. Hurry up, Yana.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then our next video will be feeding it to William. Say, see you when we get right back after these messages.
Hi.